तो आज हमारे साथ एक खास गेस्ट हैं और मतलब मैं बहुत खुश हूँ इनको अपने साथ यहाँ पे लाके। और सबसे पहले मैं थैंक यू बोलना चाहूँगा आशीष को कि लिंक्डइन के एक सिंपल मैसेज से इन्होंने कांटेक्ट किया। उसके बाद हम लोगों ने व्हाट्सएप पे बातचीत करी और मैं जल्दी से स्काइप का इंटरव्यू जो है वो शेड्यूल कर दिया। सो आशीष अग्रवाल, प्लीज़ वेलकम टू दी चैनल एंड बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कि आपने एक छोटे से इन्विटेशन पे जो है एक्सेप्ट कर लिया और आप तुरंत तैयार हो गए अपने जूनियर्स को गाइड करने के लिए। प्लीज़।
Hi, Neeraj. Thank you so much for the invite. And I'm quite excited to share my experiences because I was quite happy the way you have been motivating the students and the work that you are doing in the CA fraternity. So I'm quite excited and actually I'm quite happy to share my journey with you and your students.
थैंक यू वेरी मच आशीष। आशीष, मुझे ना बिल्कुल स्क्रैच से शुरू करना है, तो आपने कब सीए शुरू करना है, मतलब सीए करना ये कैसे मन में कैसे आया कि सीए करना है? बिल्कुल यहाँ से शुरू करेंगे।
So, my name is Ashish Agarwal. So, हम लोग तो मारवाड़ी हैं. So, started, born, brought up in Rajasthan.
हाँ।
So, after commerce, the first thing which comes into my mind is, let's do chartered accountancy. So, after completing my 12th in Kishangarh, then came to Delhi
ओके।
for university because Delhi University का बहुत craze था. So, came straight to Delhi to start my BCom. At the same time, they introduced a new course into CPT. So we were the first batch of students which get into the CPT framework. So started my journey for CA in 2006.
ओके।
With CPT in 2006 November, and then there was an articleship. I qualified. I scored rank also 26th rank
ओके।
in CPT. Then there was a 1.5 years of articleship, which I did from SS Kothari Mehta in Delhi.
ओके।
Then I did PCC again from Delhi.
ओके।
Again scored a rank in PCC as well, 47th rank. Then after that, I went for 2 years of training. Then I changed the articleship to a company called SK Singla.
ओके।
Then I did my 2 years training from there, and then appeared for finals in November 2010 and got passed out in January.
ओके। क्या
And so overall, all first attempt. Thank God.
राइट, क्या बात है। और मैं आपको आपके रिजल्ट की डेट बता सकता हूँ, 21 जनवरी 2011 आपके रिजल्ट की डेट थी। ऐसा ही है?
ऐसा ही कुछ होगा
ऐसा
जनवरी
ही
में.
है
आई
क्योंकि
डोंट
मैं
रिमेम्बर
भी मैं
एग्जैक्ट.
भी मैं भी नवंबर 2010 में पास हुआ था, इसलिए मुझे बहुत चीज़।
ओके.
ओके।
ग्रेट कोइंसिडेंस. या
बहुत बढ़िया। तो आशीष, ये तो आपके सीए की जर्नी हमने बहुत शॉर्ट में, बहुत ही एकदम प्रिसाइजली बता दी। उसके बाद कुछ ऐसा हुआ जो आज तक मुझे लगता है दोबारा नहीं हुआ। आपका कैंपस में प्लेसमेंट हुआ, तो कौन सी कंपनी में आपका प्लेसमेंट हुआ, वो जर्नी मैं ज़रूर सुनना चाहूँगा। और मैं ज़्यादा यहाँ पे पैकेज भी एक बार ज़रूर सुनना चाहूँगा। ज़्यादा फोकस नहीं करेंगे उस अमाउंट पे, बट एटलीस्ट स्टूडेंट्स को पता होना चाहिए कि सीएस की क्या वैल्यू हो सकती है, सीएस को कितना पैकेज वो मिल सकता है। तो अब आपके कैंपस की जर्नी शुरू करेंगे प्लीज़।
Sure. So, हमारे टाइम में कैंपस में there were two options. First is you can go for a small campus like Jaipur and Pune, all those small campuses. In case you're not selected in those small campuses, then you can sit for metro campuses, which are Delhi, Bombay, etc.
Right.
So I applied for Jaipur and Delhi campus. So Jaipur campus was done before. So in Jaipur campus, I got selected for Infosys and BHEL. But I was not keen to join any of those. So then I rejected those offers and then came to Delhi campus.
Okay.
In Delhi, I was selected for 2-3 companies in which I got rejected in the first round of interviews itself.
I have a question. So ये बड़ा रिस्क नहीं हो गया था कि आपने जो छोटे कैंपस थे या छोटे सिटीज थी उस टाइम पे, उनके कैंपस को आपने, उनके ऑफर्स को आपने रिजेक्ट कर दिया एंड यू केम टू दिल्ली?
So इसका रीजन था, मेरे पास ऑफ कैंपस प्लेसमेंट थी फ्रॉम गोल्डमैन सैक्स ऑलरेडी. सो आई हैड दैट ऑफर ऑलरेडी इन माय हैंड. सो आई वाज टेकिंग दैट रिस्क.
ओके.
क्योंकि I was not relying on campus at all. Generally what happens is chartered accountant students, whenever they qualify, they rely on campus a lot, that only through campus they will be able to get job, but that's not the case.
Right.
If you try outside, there are thousands of jobs which are available.
Right.
So just to share with you, I qualified on 21st January, as you mentioned. I think 27th or 26th of January, I had a job from one of the accounting firm, BDO Haribhakti.
Right.
And after 3-4 more days, I had Goldman Sachs with me.
Okay.
So almost 10 to 11 days after I qualified, there was 2 jobs already I had with me.
Right.
So it's all about how do you identify the opportunities which are available,
Okay.
and not relying on exclusively on institute has to do something to me or facilitate something to me, so that I can then provide my skills and then get a job somewhere else. So I think you have to be cognizant enough of the fact that the jobs are available, and it's you should not wait for the results to come. So I started my preparations for those things way before the results came. When the results came, then I started sending my CVs,
Right.
because chartered accountants are always in demand. In India, the demand for chartered accountants has never been less. They are always in demand.
राइट इस पॉइंट
So
पे
there was a risk.
प्लीज
Yeah, there was a risk.
मैं इस पॉइंट पे
As I
दोबारा आऊँगा आपके
you
साथ,
mentioned,
ये पॉइंट मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस करना चाहूँगा कि आपने एक बात बोली कि चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स की डिमांड कभी खत्म नहीं होती। इसको डिस्कस करेंगे, अभी कंटिन्यू करते हैं। तो आप दिल्ली आ गए और दिल्ली में फिर
sure.
आपने कौन कौन सी कंपनीज के साथ आपका इंटरव्यू हुआ था? रिजेक्ट हो गए थे आप 2 कंपनीज में।
So there was one company for Araki Ceramics
ओके।
that got rejected first round. Then second, and one company was Religare, got rejected there. There was ICICI Bank. You will not believe, they took 200 people in my campus,
Right.
in Delhi campus during my this thing.
Right.
All of my friends got selected. I got rejected in ICICI Bank.
ओके।
So that was the luck I had, and I was going ahead with that luck. But as as you say, that destiny was having something else for me. So I was not selected for a company called Olam. Me and my friend were just talking in the gallery during the campus placements. What if Olam would have selected us? And fortunately, the HR guy of Olam was passing through that corridor, and he overheard us, and he said, "Okay, you want to sit for interviews?" We said yes. So then we started. We went with him, and there were almost around 5 rounds of GD.
5 rounds
Group
of
discussions.
5 rounds of GD.
5.
5.
Yes, 5 rounds.
My God.
5 rounds of GD.
Right.
5 rounds of GD. And Neeraj, just to emphasize, during that GD, everything was all about how do you communicate, what kind of skills do you show.
Right.
It's not about your accounting skills or any other kind of knowledge that you have taken over. That comes only when you go for personal interview.
Right.
After that, there were 2 rounds of personal interview.
Okay.
So I almost started in morning around 9:30, 10 o'clock, and the results, last interview happened by 5 or 6 o'clock for me.
Okay.
So it was that much tiring process. Entire process was so much tiring.
Right.
And we were offered the job on the same day.
Okay.
And thankfully, and touchwood, as you mentioned, it was the highest campus placement ever.
Right.
In ICA. That was the story behind the campus placements.
And let's reveal the package amount also, at least the starting package.
So that time the CTC which Olam quoted was INR 70 lakhs.
70 lakh rupees. I think अभी उससे ज़्यादा पैकेज जब से मैंने देखना शुरू किया कैंपसेस को, तब से तो लेके अब तक उससे ज़्यादा पैकेज जो है आज तक नहीं आया। मेरे ख्याल से 24, 25, 31 के आसपास गया है। एक बार तोलाराम ग्रुप ने दिया था, और जो हमारे इंडियन कंपनीज हैं ITC, भारतीय एयरटेल, वो 21 लाख 24 लाख के आसपास का पैकेज देते हैं। बट दैट्स अमेजिंग। 70 lakhs का पैकेज एक freshly qualified chartered accountant, and I'm assuming that you were of around 22 or 21 years of age.
21, 22, yeah.
22. अब वो फीलिंग, उस समय वाली फीलिंग आप प्लीज़ बताना चाहेंगे कि उस समय फीलिंग क्या आई थी जब आपने देखा कि इतना पैकेज लगा, और पोजीशन जो आपको मिल रही थी? पैकेज से भी इंपॉर्टेंट होती है कि आपका जॉब रोल जो वहाँ पे आपको मिल रहा था। सो वॉज दैट फैसिनेटिंग कि 21-22 साल का, मैं उस समय तो बोलूँगा 21-22 साल का एक लड़का एक ऐसी टॉप पोजीशन पे जाके बैठने वाला है, वो फीलिंग क्या थी उस समय आपके माइंड में?
Like, it was out of the world feeling. I can't even explain that feeling, which when first I was offered the job.
Right.
The other thing was, when you know that they are hiring you for such a big position, then you have to do justice. So also there was a bit of fear.
Right.
And the third bit of fear was issue or excitement was the placement was out of the country. So it was clear on board that you will be placed outside the country. So the feeling was great. At the same time, the responsibility which I will be given post joining will be very high. So I have to do justice to that, because it should not happen that they bring you on board with some expectations, and the way you have to position yourself that you should do justice for what you have done. So, and we partied that night. So the excitement was very high, and we partied like crazy that day. Right. So overall, the journey has been quite good.
Right. और मैं ये समझ सकता हूँ कि जब इतनी बड़ी पोजीशन पे आपको रखा जाता है, आपको चूज किया जाता है, तो आप सिर्फ अपनी नहीं, आप पूरे इंस्टीट्यूट की भी इज्जत साथ लेके चल रहे होते हो। अब इतनी बड़ी पोजीशन पे अगर आपको रखा गया है, तो डेफिनेटली आपको पूरे इंस्टीट्यूट की भी एक तरह से मैं बोलूँगा कि इज्जत रखनी है बाहर वो भी कंट्री के बाहर जाके, कि भाई नहीं, अगर हम किसी को इतना पैकेज दे रहे हैं तो ही इज़ एक्चुअली दैट काइंड ऑफ प्रोडक्ट जो हम देख रहे थे, हिज कैपेबिलिटीज़ आर दैट काइंड ऑफ ही इज हैविंग दैट काइंड ऑफ कैपेबिलिटीज जो हम लोग ढूंढ रहे थे, राइट?
Yes, and thankfully, Facebook reminded me 8 years before on the same day. Facebook Institute called me
हाँ,
to facilitate at headquarters in Delhi.
ओके,
So even that time, past president, I think Mr. Jaideep Shah and the other council members.
राइट,
So they called me and one of my other colleague who joined ULAM,
राइट,
both of us together to ICI head office and facilitated us. And actually, the Facebook showed us the past memories today. So actually, it's quite a great thing that I'm sharing on the same day with you.
राइट, क्या बात है, क्या बात है, ग्रेट। ओके, अब थोड़ा ना सीरियस बात करते हैं। आपने पहले बताया कि आपने एक लाइन बोली कि सीएस की डिमांड कम नहीं है। मैं आपको एक्चुअल पोजीशन बताता हूँ आशीष क्या है, एंड शायद थोड़ा सा आपको ये सुन के बुरा भी लगे, लेकिन सच्चाई बताने की कोशिश करूँगा। यहाँ पे आप देखोगे तो एक्चुअली में सीएस की हालत बुरी है, सैलरीज नहीं मिल रही हैं, पैकेजेस बहुत कम है। अभी आज सुबह ही मेरी एक और सीए से बात हुई है कानपुर में, तो 4 लाख का पैकेज मिल रहा है, 4.5 लाख का पैकेज मिल रहा है। ये भी मैं थोड़ी सी इज्जत देते हुए चीज़ों को बता रहा हूँ कि ये भी सीटीसी है, इट्स नॉट लाइक ए इन हैंड है, ये भी सीटीसी है। आज की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं, हम 2010 की बात नहीं कर रहे, आपको 2010 में वो पैकेज मिला था, मैं आपसे आज की बात कर रहा हूँ। तो इसको आप कैसे देखते हैं? मतलब आपने बोला डिमांड बहुत है, तो मैं आपसे एक इंडिपेंडेंट व्यू जानना चाहता हूँ कि डिमांड कहाँ है, और अगर डिमांड है तो सप्लाई में कहाँ कमी है?
So, Neeraj, I'm actually surprised because अगर आप अभी भी बोल रहे हो कि still the packages are 4.5 lakh CTC for a freshly chartered accountant in 2020, it's very very low because cost of living itself in a metro, 4 lakhs you will spend anywhere.
राइट,
तो I'm actually surprised. अब second question आपका कि demand, मेरे हिसाब से demand बहुत है. I'll give you my personal experience, Neeraj. Um, I wanted to hire a chartered accountant for my company back for my Chennai offices. From last 1.5 years, I've not got a candidate. You will not believe this. Can you believe this? And good salary. I'm offering a good salary. I myself has not been able to get a good candidate. Candidates are available. The problem is the skills, the communication skills. It's not about we as a chartered accountant are focused more on knowing everything. So it's good that you know everything about whatever you have learned during the course. That's fine. That is expected from you. But at the same time, how do you communicate? How do you carry yourself? Those are also one of the important factors which help you to grow or to take positions which are of higher hierarchy in the organization. So I think, and still today also, I'm looking for a Bangla speaking chartered accountant for a friend in a Bangladesh. I'm not able to find. So, and that I'm looking for almost a month.
राइट,
So actually, the other thing is risk-taking capabilities. As a normal Indian guy, we don't have risk-taking capabilities. Like if a company is offering you into a far-flung area or uh, any new company, we are more orthodox. Let me just settle with a decent paying job into the city which I want, into a company which I want, and I'm happy.
राइट,
As you were also asking me, I was carrying huge risk,
राइट,
while rejecting so many good companies. But sometimes you have to be taking risk. And that time they told me that I will be going to Africa. 10 years before Africa, people will not be, nobody will be ready to go to Africa 10 years before.
22 ईयर
Today
ओल्ड
also,
बॉय, फैमिली प्रेशर और पता नहीं कितनी सारी चीजें उस समय पे होंगी।
yes, उस समय. So, and I took that risk, and this risk is paying me off today. Correct? So some of the risk or some of the calls that you have to take, uh, you have to take. It can't be like it's either my way or highway. Sometimes you have to be a little bit compromising. And the other thing, what I believe is, we should not we as a student when we qualify, you should always look out for opportunities. I'll just tell you a small story about my articleship. I told you after PCC I changed my articleship, correct? Me and my friend would have not less than 100 to 150 forms we went personally physically to drop my CVs, and we didn't get selected anywhere, but at least we took that effort, we made that effort, and at the end of the day we were happy that at least we tried.
राइट,
So somebody has to try. It's not that now I have become a chartered accountant and now the world will be looking for me. Why they will do that? You have to go and look for opportunities which are available.
राइट,
For that, I'm still saying, put up your resumes on all the monster.com or naukri.com, get a good CV made, get the list of consultants available, circulate your CVs to consultants, speak to your colleagues, speak to your seniors, speak to whoever you know in this industry, and then try to find opportunities which are available. And you will find that there are so many opportunities or jobs which are available which are never advertised.
Right.
Most of the opportunities or the people get selected through word of mouth. I know Neeraj, he's a good guy, and he has been with me. Okay, let's call him for interview. So if you're not called for interview, you can't do anything. But to be called for interview, you have to put in a lot of efforts.
Right.
And I think this is what will make a difference to the newly qualified chartered accountant. They should not just rely on ICI campus and then just sit and let's wait for the opportunities to come.
राइट राइट। आशीष, एक बात मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा थोड़ा सा, क्योंकि आप बहुत अच्छी लाइंस में जा रहे हैं, हम बहुत अच्छा डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं। मैं जब भी किसी से बात करता हूँ, मैंने बहुत सारे लोगों से बात करी है। अभी जैसे आपका एक 10 ईयर एक्सपीरियंस है आपके पास, ऐसे 15 ईयर एक्सपीरियंस वालों से मैंने बात करी है, और शायद 2 साल के एक्सपीरियंस वालों से मैंने बात करी है। सब एक चीज़ कॉमन बोलते हैं कि कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स अच्छे होने चाहिए। राइट। अब ये ऐसी क्या बला है कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स के, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा फर्क आ गया 4 लाख 21 लाख में, 4 लाख 70 लाख में पैकेज में। और मैं पैकेज से ज़्यादा फोकस करना चाहता हूँ पोजीशन पे, कि पोजीशन पे भी कितना फ़र्क आ गया। एक जगह वो चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट को हायर कर रहे हैं, सिर्फ वो बेसिक अकाउंटिंग वाला काम करा रहे हैं, बिल्कुल बेस अकाउंटिंग वाला। एक जगह आपको हायर कर रहे हैं, ऐसी पोजीशन दे रहे हैं जहाँ पे वो पूरी कंपनी के एक अच्छे टॉप मैनेजर पोजीशन पे बैठ के डिसीजन मेकिंग कर रहा है एक व्यक्ति। सो ये कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स को थोड़ा अगर हम नैरो डाउन कर पाएँ और थोड़ा सा पिन पॉइंट करके बोल पाएँ कि एक्चुअली में ओलाम जैसी कंपनियां और बहुत बड़ी बड़ी इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड्स जो हैं वो क्या देखते हैं कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स में, वो क्या चेक कर लेते हैं ऐसा?
So Neeraj, when I say communication skills, it's not about only ki whether I know English or not. It's not about that.
Right.
It's about, as you rightly mentioned, what components constitute communication skills. First thing is, how do you carry yourself?
Right.
You need to be smart enough, and you need to speak good English. That's fine. After that, the other thing that they look after is what's about your decision making, whether you will be able to take decisions or not.
Right.
Sometimes what happens, you are too dependent throughout your career on somebody, and during all these processes they will be able to figure out what kind of role you are suited for.
Right.
Some people, as you mentioned, are suited for accounting jobs. Some people are good for taxation. Some people are good for decision making. So these things also gets evaluated when you get interviewed. It's not only about your bookish knowledge. Bookish knowledge is fine, because one thing we forget is they know that you are a chartered accountant. That means you have that necessary knowledge. So they will not test you on those fronts again, because everybody who is coming for interview for that role is
Right.
a qualified chartered accountant.
Right.
And they believe or that it is given that you have gone through all that thing. Correct. So they will not again test you for those things. This is the biggest mistake that we guys do, that we believe that they will again ask us the same law, same accounting standards that we have read. That's fine. They might ask you, but the focus for them for a bigger position or a managerial position is
Right.
whether you will be able to take decisions, whether the people below you will see you as a leader, whether you will be able to influence them, or during throughout your life journey, have you done something like a leadership position? For example, whether you were school captain, whether you have been captain of a house, whether have you done any kind of NGO work.
Right.
Those things, social work. So those things also help them understand the position of the guy or the lady, that whether that person will be best suited for that role or not.
Right.
Because as I tell my people also, like today, if I want some tax opinion on any of the matter, I go to my tax consultant.
Right.
There is a chartered accountant who goes and do the job for me. Similarly, for anything on accounting standards, I go to my auditor and he does the job.
Exactly.
So, but whether to take the decisions to go or not, or to do any kind of transaction which will need that help, that I have to do.
Right.
So I think that is what makes the difference. Where when you were mentioning that what kind of role gets up depending on the people, it depends on your journey, on the life that you have lived through, and on the risk or the initiatives that you have taken.
Right.
That will help to determine where will you go in future.
Right. Great. बहुत बढ़िया। एक इसी आंसर से एक और मेरा क्वेश्चन निकला, मैंने चीज़ें नोट करी हैं और वाकई में आप जो बातें बता रहे हैं ना, वो 10 साल का एक्सपीरियंस उसमें पूरा झलक रहा है, जो आपने चीज़ें वहाँ पे देखी हैं या जो भी चीज़ें आपने वहाँ फील करी है। अब एक इस बात पे आ जाते हैं, आपकी आर्टिकलशिप हुई SS कोठारी एंड मेहता। विच इज़ कंसिडर्ड वन ऑफ द बेस्ट फर्म्स ऑफ इंडिया। अगर मैं बिग फोर्स की बात करता हूँ तो एस एस कोठारी, टी आर चड्डा, बहुत सारी ऐसी फर्म्स है जो आती है टॉप लाइनर्स जिन्हें फ्रंट लाइनर्स जिन्हें हम बोल सकते हैं। वहाँ पे आपने ऑब्वियसली अच्छे से काम किया, आपने डिसीजन मेकिंग एबिलिटी शायद वहाँ पे डेवलप करी, या हो सकता है आपका बैकग्राउंड ऐसा रहा हो कि आपके पास वो सारी लर्निंग्स रही हों। आई डोंट नो, मतलब ये भी मैं आपसे पूछूंगा। लेकिन अब यहाँ पे एक नॉर्मल चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट है, कहीं वो उत्तर प्रदेश में कहीं छोटी सी जगह पे जाके, बिजनौर का एक नाम ले लेते हैं, बिजनौर में बैठ के वो वहाँ पे अपनी सीए कंप्लीट करता है। वो आज तक बिजनौर से बाहर नहीं निकला है। आज मैं उसको गाइड करना चाहता हूँ, आज आशीष उसको गाइड करना चाहते हैं कि भाई तू ये कर, कम से कम तेरी कुछ इज्जत बनेगी, कुछ अच्छे पैकेजेस मिलेंगे। आप उस चीज़ को कैसे देखते हैं आशीष? उसको आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगे, वो बिजनौर में बैठा हुआ एक लड़का जो है?
So Neeraj, I think छोटा सी छोटे cities will not matter
राइट,
at all
राइट,
in this digital world. मेरे टाइम में तो और अपने टाइम में तो इतना डिजिटल वर्ल्ड भी नहीं था.
राइट।
uh, from 2006 when I came, I started reading Economic Times. You will not believe, I didn't used to understand a single bit of it. जब मैंने स्टार्ट किया, फर्स्ट 3 months I was clueless कि ये क्या चीज है, ये क्या बला है, you know. But next 4 years it helped me to gave me a mammoth of knowledge which was outside my CA journey.
राइट,
You know, it helped me to know what is happening in the world. Even though you are sitting in Bijnor or any other place in India, you will be aware of what is happening in entire India.
राइट,
At the same time, you can't be sitting in Bijnor and saying that a company will come to Bijnor to to take you, correct. Even all those struggling actors, they have to go to Bombay itself to get selected, correct.
राइट,
So those guys, they get their knowledge or they get their all those skills. You can get it done in Bijnor itself, but finally you have to come to Delhi, you have to go to Bombay or any other big cities, and you have to prove yourself. And for that, I think enough material is available in this world right now, what it used to be before.
राइट,
So, and as I still tell my students that you need to start from day one. Don't think that your journey will start after you qualify. From the day one, it's not only about book, it's also about reading about economy, reading various newspapers available, reading about what is happening across the globe. It's not about only India. Now it's entirely one world is everything. When you go for interviews, these kind of interviews, they will not only ask you about India, they might ask you what is the impact of COVID-19 on the world economy. How do you think? You can't say that I'm not prepared or I've not read. As a chartered accountant, you are supposed to know about what is happening across the globe,
राइट,
and for that you need to read.
राइट,
And the reading has to start when you join, I think, chartered accountancy. So that's what I will say.
राइट। क्या बात है, क्या बात है! दिस इज़ वन थिंग जो आपने बहुत क्लियरली, बहुत क्लैरिटी के साथ आपने बताई कि भाई आप, एफर्ट आपको खुद करना पड़ेगा, और रास्ते वो सिंपल सिंपल ही हैं। ईटी पढ़ो, नॉलेज रखो वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमी की, बट आपको स्टार्ट जो है वो डे वन से करना पड़ेगा। ग्रेट, बहुत ही बढ़िया आशीष। अब मैं आपसे कुछ डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहूँगा। ये 10 साल आपके कैसे रहे? किस तरह के आपने वहाँ पर रोल प्ले करे अभी तक जो आपके 10 साल रहे? ऑब्वियसली अब आपके बहुत अच्छी पोजीशंस हो गई होंगी, तो किस तरह से आपके 10 साल की पूरी एक कॉर्पोरेट जर्नी, वो भी इतनी सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी से आप कैसे आगे बढ़े? क्या क्या आपसे वो एक्सपेक्ट करते थे, आपने
So the
डिलीवर किया?
so journey has been quite tough and quite exciting, I will say, because as I was saying, coming to Africa first of all,
राइट,
22 years old, with some other expectation I had, and new country first of all, new culture.
राइट,
So the first challenge was to settle into these things, because at the end of the day, in the evening, if you are sick, your father, your mother, nobody is here next to you, not even your friend.
राइट,
So that is what used to the biggest challenge, to settle down. It took me almost 6 months to settle down, to adapt. And once you get settled down, I think then the world is yours. So I started as a finance manager in Olam when they took me on board. Then right now I'm handling OK Foods, one of their packaged food division. I'm the CFO of the company. I'm also responsible for their entire commercial part as well. So and the turnover is close to $100 million.
वाओ,
So in terms of responsibilities and the functions, it has grown quite a bit over the last 10 years in the company. And at the same time, company do believe that when you bring a fresh mind, you can write whatever you want them to be written, and they can mold you the way they want us to be molded. So I'm now molded Olam way.
राइट,
That's what we say,
राइट,
because when you bring somebody with a prior experience, he has his own set of preconceived notion that this work can be done only by this way. when they bring a fresh mind, and then they will say the way you want it, just get it done.
Right.
So I think there were challenges initially, as I was mentioning, but over the period, as you gain experience, as you gain knowledge for everything that you do, I think things get smoothen out over a period.
राइट। वाओ! मतलब मज़ा आ गया, और एक्चुअली में आप इंस्पायर करोगे बहुत सारे लोगों को अपनी पूरी जर्नी से। एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन मैं आपसे पूछूँगा, सिर्फ़ आखिरी क्वेश्चन। कहीं न कहीं हम सब, आप, मैं, जितने भी चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स हैं, सीए स्टूडेंट्स हैं, हम सब लोग इस इंस्टीट्यूट से जुड़े हुए हैं, इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स ऑफ इंडिया। आपने एक बात बहुत सही कही कि हमें टोटली आईसीएफ के कैंपस पे डिपेंडेंट नहीं रहना चाहिए। लेकिन मैं आपसे अगर एक चीज़ पूछूं कि आशीष, एक चेंज जो आप इंस्टीट्यूट के अंदर करना चाहते हो एग्जामिनेशन में, या फिर आप इंस्टीट्यूट के सिलेबस में, या किसी और चीज़ में, तो वो आप एक चेंज क्या सजेस्ट करना चाहोगे? शायद आपकी बात सुनी जाए। प्लीज़ आप बताएं कि आप एक वो चेंज क्या करना चाहेंगे।
I think biggest change I will say is the syllabus because for just to give an example, in Nigeria there are two types of chartered accountants.
हम्म।
One is taxation and one is auditing. So actually, chartered accountancy also is getting divided into two parts. So there are chartered accountants which are specifically for taxation. They don't know anything about auditing.
राइट।
There are chartered accountants which are about auditing. They only do auditing and accounting work.
राइट।
Similarly, India has advanced quite far. So I'm not giving an example of Nigeria to copy, but at the same time, I think a subject like economics is what is missing in chartered accountancy subject. There are good subjects which we have, but I don't know whether they will be. I've heard in between that they will introduce economy also.
इकोनॉमी,
Uh,
इकोनॉमिक्स ये ले आए हैं, इंटरमीडिएट लेवल पे ले आए हैं थोड़ा सा, और आगे भी फाइनल
huh.
लेवल पे कुछ सिलेक्टिव पेपर्स के अंदर कुछ इम्पैक्ट डाला है उसका।
So I think that is the one, and the other thing is there they have to work a lot in economics, where they actually have to introduce economy and economic world to the chartered accountants. The other thing is examination. Every student has that fear that the results, the way they are coming, some iota of doubt every student has. I think CA Institute should come out with a clear policy on it and should satisfy the student at the end of the day, because if the student is satisfied that the way I've been examined is fair, I think then there should not be a challenge. So I think these are the two areas which I believe C Institute should work on, and it will help to improve only, because that will help the students to be more confident that whatever they are making some issue flaws, they can improve on, and at the same time they are gaining knowledge of economics, which is needed right now in this kind of environment.
राइट। ग्रेट आशीष, बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत इंसाइटफुल चीज़ें थी। आप कोई मैसेज देना चाहें, बिल्कुल आप जो बोलना चाहते हैं कि भाई मेरे यंग क्वालिफाइड चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स दोस्तों, ये ज़रूर कर लेना। आपके मन से कुछ आवाज़ निकलती हो जो आपको लगता हो कि भाई ये चीज़ मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ दिल से, तो प्लीज़।
I think the message that I would want to give to young chartered accountants is, see, the world is yours. The only thing is you have to make an effort to get the position or the thing that you want. It will not happen sitting at your place or at your city. So you have to make an effort, and opportunities are immense.
राइट।
The world is yours. It's not one chart, because just also, Neeraj, out of the way, I'll just tell you, in Nigeria, 80% of the companies have Indian chartered accountants. You will not believe that.
ओ माय गॉड।
Okay, so that much trust that even companies outside India have about the chartered accountancy course of India. So these guys have trust. The only thing is we have to make an effort to get here. So like you were given example of Tularam. Tularam is very big in Nigeria, the largest in Nigeria, correct? And they have almost more than 50 to 70 chartered accountants here, and they bring fresh from campus. The only thing, people have to be ready to come to Nigeria first.
राइट।
Lot of people drops out only at the first stage itself.
राइट।
So the world is yours. You have to make an effort, and opportunities are massive.
राइट।
You just have to start looking for it.
राइट। एक चीज़ इसमें से निकल के, आशीष थोड़ा सा आपका टाइम मैं और ले रहा हूँ, 1-2 मिनट।
No, I'm free. Please.
ये जो नाइजीरिया वाली बात आपने बोली, इसको लेके ना बहुत अफवाहें हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा मैंने देखा है कि यंग क्वालिफाइड चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स वो डरते हैं। अब आप फर्स्ट हैंड वहाँ पे आप बैठे हो, आपका क्या एक्सपीरियंस है? मतलब वाकई में कुछ डिस्टर्बेंसेस हैं, या सर्वाइवल आसानी से हो रहा है, बिल्कुल एकदम नॉर्मली लाइफ चल रही है? वो सारे हम जो अफवाहें हैं जो उनको हम हटाना चाहते हैं, तो प्लीज़ बताइए उसमें।
You will be surprised to hear this. It's actually much more safe than Delhi. Lagos, where I live, is much more safe than Delhi.
ओके।
Entire West Africa. I've lived in Ghana for 4.5 months. I've been in Lagos for almost last 8-9 years. There is no issue with respect to safety, security, even the women chartered accountants which are coming now. The respect that you get here is immense. People love you here because they know that Indians, as a the Indian countrymen, they've never been. You will never see Indian getting into any kind of trouble across the world because we believe in following the laws of the land.
Right.
We believe in loving the people. We believe in loving the culture of the people of the country. So there has never been an instance where Indian get disrespected across the globe.
Right.
So in West Africa, these are all rumors. There has never been a case where some hate is there against, since you are Indian. That kind of a hate which is not prevalent. At the same time, there is no issue with respect to securities. So it's a fantastic place to be in, and just don't focus on Dubai.
Right.
Because we are more concerned, we get, I can see you're also smiling
Right.
when somebody will say I have a job offer in Dubai, and somebody will say I have a job offer in Nigeria.
Right.
99% will go for Dubai.
Dubai.
Nobody will go for Nigeria, correct? So as I was mentioning, you have to take that effort, you have to take that risk. Come here, it's a wonderful place.
Right.
And I've been here with my family. I have 2 small kids.
Right.
So कोई इशू नहीं, otherwise I will be the first guy to go back home if there is any challenge which I have.
एग्जैक्टली क्योंकि 10-11 साल में आपने सब कुछ देख लिया होगा, सब कुछ समझ लिया होगा. अगर फैमिली वहाँ पे आपके साथ है तो आपने बहुत सोच समझ के फैसला लिया होगा कि फैमिली भी मेरे साथ यहाँ पे रहेगी. आई थिंक ये मिथ क्लियर करना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी था. ये आज से नहीं, ये सालों से चली आ रही है कि नाइजीरिया में जॉब नहीं करनी और ये और वो है. आई थिंक ये अब बहुत ज़्यादा क्लैरिटी आ गई है इस पे आशीष, है ना?
Yeah, absolutely. And that's why I'm saying, if you look for opportunities, a lot of Nigerian opportunities are available because people are not ready to come. And at the same time, you also get premium.
Right.
In Dubai, you don't get premium because everybody is ready to come to Dubai.
Right.
If you talk about Africa, you get premium because less people are ready to come here. But at the same time, it's when people come here, they will say, yeah, whatever you've been hearing, it's all about media. And the way India gets portrayed in media here, I even can't discuss. Sometimes I have to explain my friends in Nigeria that this is not what you are reading about India. India is quite entirely different.
Right.
So these things do happen. It's don't go about what media portray or about what you read in media.
Great. बहुत बढ़िया आशीष. काफ़ी ज़्यादा मुझे इंसाइट्स मिले काफ़ी चीज़ों के बारे में. बहुत लोगों को इस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो से, बहुत लोगों को, हज़ारों लोगों को बहुत चीज़ें मिलेंगी इससे. बहुत ज़्यादा मोटिवेशन, बहुत ज़्यादा इंस्पिरेशन, बहुत ज़्यादा क्लैरिटी मिलेगी. एंड मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ आशीष आगे भी आप इसी तरह से गाइड करते रहेंगे किसी ना किसी माध्यम से. और मैं एक बार कोशिश करूँगा यंग क्वालिफाइड चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स उनकी कुछ क्वेश्चंस लेके आपके पास तक पहुँच पाऊँ, ताकि आपसे मैं एक बार और आपका समय लेके थोड़ा सा एक वीडियो शूट करके दोबारा से एक बार सबको गाइड करें. एंड दिस वीडियो आई एम टेलिंग यू, दिस इज़ द बेस्ट वीडियो एवर जो मैंने अपने चैनल के लिए शूट करी है. क्योंकि इतने एक्सपीरियंस्ड व्यक्ति से मिलना, और वो भी जिसने एक अलग जगह जाके अपना एक नया मुकाम बनाया, पूरे इंस्टीट्यूट को उसने अपने ऊपर, मैं बोलूँगा कि नाज करवाया. और मैंने बहुत एंजॉय किया. एंड वन ऑफ द बेस्ट वीडियोस. थैंक यू आशीष.
Thank you, Neeraj. It was really great talking to you, and the work that you're doing for the students and the community at large is quite commendable and actually I'm proud of you, and more than happy to do again a video with you to share any students' questions or anything else that you would want me to share and talk about. More than happy to do that, Neeraj. Anytime.
थैंक यू आशीष. एक लास्ट में ना हम एक लाइन बोलते हैं हमेशा अपने चैनल में जाने से पहले. बोलते हैं सीखते रहें क्योंकि सीखना बंद तो जीतना बंद. दिस इज माय टैग लाइन. तो हम जब भी कोई वीडियो एंड करते हैं तो विल से सीखते रहें क्योंकि सीखना बंद तो जीतना बंद. नाउ इट्स योर टर्न.
सीखते रहें क्योंकि सीखना बंद तो जीतना बंद. सॉरी, ओके. सीखते रहें क्योंकि सीखना बंद तो जीतना बंद.
क्या बात है. ग्रेट. थैंक यू वेरी मच.